Hey guys, it's Coach Lois here. I'm just about to hit the shower, but I thought, nope, I gotta share with you guys a little bit of an update for P90X today. After yesterday's push-up and pull-up challenge, I am feeling challenged moving around. My arms are super duper sore, and my lats, I can feel it there, as well as my back muscles, which is all good places. And my quads are finally not killing me as I go up and down the stairs. So today's workout was perfect. It's called CVX, and it's cardio and strength training at its best. It's combined workouts. I'm definitely sweating. I definitely got my heart rate up there, and I got strength training in all in one. So that's a 3-part bonus workout. A lot of times people will just hit the treadmill or hit the weights or hit the elliptical or go for a run, just focusing on one thing pretty much almost consistently. And the thing I love about P90X, and that's why I teach that and that's why I do it myself, is the cross training. It's my favorite. It's going to get you the best results, especially if you want toning and strengthening, and as Tony would say, if you want to get ripped, you know, I guess if that's the thing for you. But it's also more about aesthetics. It's more also about longevity and life and posture. I felt myself walking around taller yesterday after all those pull-ups and push-ups, and you know, it's working on your spine, it's working on balance, so you're gonna feel better, you're gonna think smarter, because strength training impacts the brain, helps with mental illness, helps with just even, I think, thinking clearer, more clarity, just being smarter about things instead of just going and doing the obvious thing, which would be just logging miles or logging minutes on a cardio machine. So CVX was awesome. Looking forward to it. I'm almost done with my first week. I'm super sore all over, and that means it's doing its thing.